Epithelioid mesothelioma diagnosis and treatment. Sufferers identified with epithelioid mesothelioma have quite longer survival costs, whilst as compared to different cell types. In common, sufferers with epithelioid mesothelioma stay 1–2 years after analysis. However, mesothelioma analysis is likewise tormented by different elements like the level of cancer whilst it's observed, the affected person's ordinary fitness, age, and which most cancers develop inside the body. Those elements additionally affect what form of mesothelioma remedies sufferers can properly go through. Sufferers with epithelioid mesothelioma are generally treated through a mixture of surgical procedures, chemotherapy, or radiation. Multimodal treatment. Experts commonly agree that a mixture of surgical treatment, chemotherapy, and radiation is the handiest method of enhancing prognosis. This is referred to as a multimodal remedy or remedy.